this,
and a due date
this,
to keep things on track.
and this.
And while we're blocking
You
out,
hate them, and you have to click them every single time. So I'm gonna teach you how to make an automatic skip at clicker. You're gonna want to open up Visual Studio Code, make a Python file named whatever you want. I just made it at skipper, at clicker, skip at clicker, whatever. You're gonna want to save it, and you're gonna want to install this library called pyautogui. This is what we're gonna be using to detect if the skip at button's on the screen. We're gonna import pyautogui, import time, which is just, you'll see why. We're gonna make a main function which is gonna iterate through 3 different images: skip.png, skip2.png, and skip3.png. Pyautogui.locate center on screen just detects if the image is on the screen, and the confidence is how confident it is. If it can see the image, it clicks it on those coordinates. And then this is going to be our main code. Val true, try main. So it's going to try finding it. And we have a time.sleep. Point 2, as you can see I'm writing, is to prevent double clicking. Except pass, because in case it doesn't find it. And time.sleep for 5 seconds is just to prevent, so it doesn't take too much processing power, and it just runs super smoothly. It can slow your computer down just a little bit if you make it super low. And that's basically it for the coding part of the side. As you're gonna see, I'm gonna go back because I messed up one thing. What I'm doing right now is just pasting all of those images, which is in the description. We're gonna change the path to continue, which was something wrong while I was testing. I figured it out. And yeah, you're gonna wanna make a folder with your Python script and all 3 of the images, which are again in the description. I'm just gonna run the Python script. You should have no errors. And then I'm gonna open up Google Chrome, and this one's a little weird to see. You see, it instantly clicked it, and this is another ad. Wait for it. It instantly clicked it. Okay, bye. Hope you liked this video, and subscribe. Bye.